Welcome to our channel Brilliance. Today in this video we are going to see the basic understanding about credit card. It's an amazing tool which we do use for shopping mostly, but I do hear that people saying it's dangerous one to use because the interest is so high on the credit card usage. Yes, we can say it's a dangerous one, but not for all. I do use a credit card, but I never felt that because we should know how to handle it in better way. But I will say you have to identify that are you the right person to use the credit card or not. Here I will give you the checkboxes you need to tick before you taking a credit card on your hand. First one, do you track your monthly expenses and are you reviewing it regularly? In the modern days we have so many apps for that. But I am like a old school type, so I write down my expenses and I do calculate the expenses which I can cut down for the further months. If you don't do budgeting, I don't think credit card is for you. Number 2, if you are a person who buy things frequently like gadgets or ordering clothes and paying it through EMI, I think the credit card is going to be dangerous for you. Number 3, if you don't have a cash flow for more than your credit limit, credit card will be extra burden for you. Final and important thing, if you are a person who spends all the money what you have in your hand, I am sorry boss, I warn you, don't take your credit card in your hand. Before taking a credit card, just make sure you tick all the checkboxes I have given before. Okay, now let's understand how to use it in better way. Here I am sharing you how I am paying the credit card bill and also how you can do it in the better way also. Whenever I use my credit card, on the same day itself, I do transfer the expenses money to the particular credit card account and I will pay twice in a month. It's like every month 7th is my due date, so I'll pay all my outstanding on 6th of every month and 19th of every month to reduce the burden. But some people, they do have 2 credit cards and they keep the due dates according to it and they do use the full 50 days credit limit. In those 50 days, they do invest the money in the liquid or debt fund and they will get the returns for the 50 days also. This is a right way to use your credit card. In fact, I am also practicing in it. You can do it in a better way also. Next one, credit card 0% EMI conversion. If you did any big purchase, the next day itself you will get a call from the bank and asking for the 0% EMI conversion. I think some banks have processing fees and they do give the 0% EMI also. After confirming the charges, sure we can avail it too. Next famous question. If I am using the credit card, will it affect my CIBIL score? Absolutely no. If you are paying your bills on time, sure it won't affect your CIBIL score. But I do hear that if you are using the full limit of your credit for every month, it will affect your credit score. Let's move on to the final one. Here we comes to the party. If I didn't pay the credit card bill, how? Here the actual scene is happening. At least you have to pay the minimum due on the due date. Otherwise, your bill amount will be double in no time. So we have to be very careful about credit card. I think I have given the basic information for the credit card. If you want in-depth video about credit card usage, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching our video. Do share and subscribe. Thank you.